have seen that primary treatment, also called as physical treatment, physical removal of waste we have seen. Next we can see this treatment called as secondary treatment, and it is the last treatment for sewage treatment. That is secondary treatment, also called as biological treatment. In this, biological organisms called as microbes have been involved, and that microbes are going to digest all the organic matter which are present in that effluent. Effluent is nothing but a waste liquid. Let us see. The primary effluents is passed into aeration tank. Whatever the primary effluents that have been passed into the aeration tank. In the aeration tanks, with the help of the pump, they enter air. With the help of the pump, they pass to enter the air into the tank. Large amount of air will be entered into the tanks. The tanks are called as aeration tanks. Under aeration, they produce microbes, allows the growth of aerobic microbes into flocks. Flocks is nothing but those are the bacteria along with fungi. They are going to form mesh-like structure, combination, like one large area have been formed because of flocks. Flocks are nothing but they are the combination of bacteria as well as along with the fungal filament. They are forming a mesh-like structure. Large structure will be formed in that effluent. Microbes will be formed along into flocks. They are converted into flocks. Under aeration means aerobic microbes will be formed when air will be present in that effluent. Next, microbes eat all the organic matter. Whatever the aerobic microbes which are present in that effluent, which contains large amount of organic matter, that organic matter will be completely eaten by these microbes in the effluent called as liquid waste. Next is automatically what is going to happen of that particular effluent. BOD will be reduces the BOD of the effluent. What is meant by BOD? Very important one. BOD refers to the amount of and required to oxidize total organic matter by bacteria present in 1 liter of water. If you see 1 liter of water, in that 1 liter of water, how much bacteria will be present? That is called as BOD, called as biological oxygen demand. It measures the organic matter present in the water. Once the BOD reduces, automatically they will settle down. What is going to settle down? Bacterial flocks will be settled down, are allowed to sediment. Sediment in the sense whatever the microbes, they are said to be settled down, called as activated sludge. Sludge is nothing but it's a during aeration procedure, this activated sludge will be formed. It means that bacteria have the capability to digest that organic matter. Next, small part of activated sludge. The small part of activated sludge will be pumped into the aeration tank as inoculum sample. The remaining sludge will be pumped into the anaerobic sludge digester. What here another one microbe will be entered, that is anaerobic, which means under absence of oxygen, this microorganisms will be formed, that is bacteria and fungi. What that will do? That will digest this anaerobic microbes are going to digest, are going to kill this microbes, that is bacteria and fungi, whatever have been present in that sludge tank. And finally, what is going to happen by this biological treatment? Whatever the effluent are said to be converting into clean. That clean sewage will be turned into clean water. That clean will be directly passing into the leaving out into the rivers, streams, like that, which means that more pollutant sewage will be converting into less pollutant by this treatment, the primary treatment as well as a secondary treatment have been followed by sewage treatment. For example, if you see our rivers like Ganga and Yamuna, the Minister of Government order have been passed. By using this technique, by using this microbial technique, we can clean the rivers of Ganga and Yamuna. That is one example. And also, because of these microbes, biogas also will be formed, a mixture of carbon dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide, like this. Biogas also will be formed. This is all about the treatments. Thank you. Hope you all understood. In next coming session, in next class, we can study microbes in biogas plant.